Why coaches fail to win more games? We all know that basketball coaches have a huge impact on the result of a game. So then, why is that most games are lost and not won? There are many factors to having a successful season and winning more games than losing. Today, I will talk about a few factors that depend on the coach and also depend on the basketball skills. 1. Compromising. If a coach compromises to too many tasks, they will not be able to dedicate properly to their players' needs. In other words, the more you take on, the less you will accomplish. 2. Lacking belief in themselves. If coaches do not believe in themselves and believe that they can succeed, how can they inspire their players? Coaches who say, I can, and I will, and give everything that they have to the achievement of the impossible, inevitably succeed. 3. Relying too much on emotions. Emotion in coaching is a killer. Poor coaches will rely on emotions to try to inspire the performance of the players. Coaching is about being calm, confident, composed, clear, and credible. 4. Using the same programs over and over and over. No coach in any sport has created the perfect program that will work every time in every situation. Every program, like every coach, is a work in progress, and when they believe that they have all the answers, then their success will be limited. 5. Failing to engage their athletes. Great coaches engage the hearts and minds of their players and inspire them to be even more than they ever dreamed they could be. 6. Lack of persistence. Coaches who stop trying will fail. Coaches need to keep working hard, stay innovative, passionate, and committed. Never ever give up. They owe this to themselves and to their players. 7. Lack of vision. Great coaches can see the future of their season and can communicate their vision effectively to their players. Their ability to share their vision and to have their players embrace it as their own is a paramount. 8. Not spending enough time maximizing their strengths. It is the things that they are good at that will provide them with the opportunity to win. Coaches who spend too much time trying to overcome weakness and doing so allow their strengths to be unmastered, only end up being mediocre at everything. Now, let's discuss about some factors that depend on basketball skills that coaches does not emphasize enough in their programs. These are professional obstacles that cause coaches to fail. The first one is turnovers and bad decisions. Every possession on offense must be evaluated. There are turnovers that the other team force you, but there are many turnovers that I call them unforced turnovers that are just bad habits or poor offensive execution. And these turnovers can be corrected with self-scout and practices. The second one is bad shot selection. Taking bad shots kills your offense, as well as not taking good shots when the players should. Next one, lack of defensive pressure or lack of hustle. Tough defenses and pressure on the ball are essential to force opponents' turnovers and bad shots. Letting the other team play freely will give them advantage and will keep your team always in the mood of reacting. Next one, not blocking out and not rebounding. Team must have the mentality of wanting to get the ball back. What is the point of having a tough defensive possession if the other team takes the rebound? Stupid fouls. There are good fouls and bad fouls. Inexperienced players with weak mental will commit bad fouls that many times will cost you a loss. Players should learn to move their feet and get help from teammates and use fouls only to deny a basket. And the last one, fair to play as a team. A team with a deep roster playing hard together is a team that is tough to beat. If one or two players are just playing for themselves or their own stats, many of the factors that I mentioned above come into play. Now, of course, there are many more. I just wanted to point out a few of them. I say to my players that there are 4 things that I like them to do. First one, behave as a human being. The second one, be on time and commit to our program. The third one, play tough defense. Give your best on the court, play hard. And the last one, hit the open man. The rest will come by itself.